Good evening, kittles and kitties, and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff, where we are going to now do very easy to make elf ears for fantasy stuff. So, what you need is latex, chalk powder, some acrylic paints to mix with the latex, and spoons! So, we're starting here by taking a place where you can actually hang spoons. In this case, it is this cupboard here. Is it whatever the name is? You understand what it is? It's actually a refrigerator behind that kitchen thingy. But anyway, somewhere you can hang this thing so they don't attach to things. So I'm using this high-tech method of putting them like that. Now, I have pre-mixed here skin-colored latex, which I just dipped them in like that. You see, almost all the way. And I'm doing 3 pair of this elf ears. So now you see that. And also to catch the dripping excess latex. Now you see like that. It's going to be thicker in the end, which is going to be very good for the ear nib there. But it's just the top of there, sorry. And then you're just gonna cut them off a little bit with after 2 layers. They will be a little bit more rounded. So now when you have done this for 6 layers of this, you're actually gonna take some little bit of chalk powder here and release them from the spoons. So they will not attach to each other again. This is a little bit tricky, but you see, there we go, like that. And now you are just going to separate it and pull them over your ear, and basically, or the actor person's ear, and then cut them and then glue them again. So you see, I'm doing a little bit of trying here, but now this time it will work like that. And that will look terrific when we're now going to glue them down. Which is basically just going to have some glue and then put some wax in the middle and then have some little bit of a foundation over it. So you see, this elf person here, I have dressed up with the other fantasy stuff there. And you see, here we have done a little bit of gluing, where I've just cut the shape of her upper part of her ear and then glue it onto it. So this is one of the easier way to make a latex ear. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye. Bastardly cold outside. Sweden. The fantasy creations are out in the muddy field to recreate mud.